Welcome back to VPR Auto. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Porsche 912, a modern reinterpretation of a classic icon that blends heritage design with cutting-edge performance. Right off the bat, the 2025 Porsche 912 commands attention with its striking exterior. Porsche has masterfully retained the timeless silhouette of the original 912 while infusing modern elements that enhance both style and aerodynamics. The front fascia is clean yet aggressive, featuring sleek LED matrix headlights that provide exceptional visibility and a distinctive four-point lighting signature. The hood maintains its classic curvature, paying homage to the original 912, while the front air intakes are larger and more pronounced, improving airflow and engine cooling. Moving along the side profile, you'll notice sculpted lines that emphasize the car's athletic stance. The pronounced wheel arches house a set of stunning 19-inch alloy wheels as standard, with optional 20 and 21-inch upgrades for those seeking a more dynamic appearance. The side mirrors are aerodynamically optimized, and Porsche has integrated flush door handles that contribute to the vehicle's sleek profile. The sloping roofline elegantly transitions into the rear, creating a sporty yet refined silhouette. At the rear, the 2025 Porsche 912 boasts an eye-catching light bar that spans the entire width of the car, seamlessly integrating with the LED taillights. The signature Porsche lettering is positioned prominently below the light bar, while the dual exhaust outlets deliver an aggressive aesthetic that hints at the car's impressive performance capabilities. Stepping inside, the cabin is a blend of modern luxury and classic Porsche styling cues. The dashboard is minimalist yet highly functional, featuring a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster that can be customized to display vital driving information. The infotainment system is powered by Porsche's latest PCM, Porsche Communication Management Interface, displayed on a sleek 10.9-inch touchscreen with intuitive controls and seamless smartphone integration. The seats are a perfect balance of comfort and support, with high-quality leather upholstery as standard. Porsche offers multiple interior customization options, including premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in soft leather, providing excellent grip and control. Porsche's commitment to driver engagement is evident in the physical climate control buttons and strategically placed switches that ensure intuitive operation without distraction. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Porsche 912 doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, Porsche has equipped this model with a turbocharged 2.0-liter flat-4 engine that delivers an impressive 296 horsepower and 280 lb-ft of torque. This power plant is mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or an optional 7-speed PDK automatic for those seeking lightning-fast gear changes. The result is a 0 to 60 mph sprint in just 4.5 seconds, with a top speed of 170 mph. Porsche's precision engineering ensures that the 2025 912 offers exceptional handling. The lightweight chassis, combined with a finely tuned suspension system, provides remarkable agility through corners. Porsche's active suspension management, PASM, is available as an option, allowing drivers to adjust the damping settings for a more comfortable ride or enhanced performance. The steering is sharp and responsive, giving the driver a strong connection to the road, while the powerful braking system ensures confident stopping power in any condition. For those seeking an even more exhilarating driving experience, Porsche offers a Sport Chrono package, which sharpens throttle response, adjusts transmission behavior, and includes a launch control feature for maximum acceleration performance. Additionally, the car's dynamic stability control system enhances grip and cornering capabilities, making the 2025 Porsche 912 equally enjoyable on winding mountain roads and smooth highways. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Porsche 912 starts at approximately $60,000 for the base model. Adding performance upgrades, premium interior materials, and advanced technology packages can push the price closer to $75,000. While this places the 912 in the premium sports car category, its combination of iconic design, engaging performance, and modern features makes it a compelling choice for Porsche enthusiasts and driving purists alike. The 2025 Porsche 912 strikes a remarkable balance between nostalgic charm and modern performance. With its sleek design, luxurious interior, and impressive driving dynamics, it stands as a worthy tribute to the original 912, while confidently embracing the future of automotive engineering. Whether you're a seasoned Porsche fan or someone looking for a stylish yet powerful sports car, the 2025 Porsche